Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a complete guide on how to add an introduction on Gmail. So let's get started. Step 1. Open your device's Settings app and locate the Google option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 2. Once you're in the Google settings, find and tap on Manage your Google account. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. At the top of the screen, you'll see different options. Tap on Personal Info to access your personal information settings. Step 4. Within the Personal Info section, look for the Choose What Others See option. Tap on it and you'll be directed to the About Me page. Step 5. On the About Me page, you'll find an option to Add More About You. Tap on it to expand your profile details. Step 6. Now scroll down until you find the Add Introduction Link option. Click on it to add your desired introduction. Step 7. Once you've crafted your introduction, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added an introduction to your Gmail account. From now on, whenever you compose an email, your personalized introduction will be visible to the recipients. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.